It was here, in the largest building in the world, that Preston Tucker challenged Detroit's Big Three. He planned 1,500 cars a day.
Ringling led the Tin Goose body fabrication, often shaping the panels bare-handed for a better feel.
We eliminated the camshaft entirely, relying solely on oil pressure pulses for these hydraulic valves.
The air cooling on Belt 47 works fine, but adapting it for the Tuckers require a full water jacket.
By replacing the magneto with this conventional distributor and adding the Stromberg carburetor, we've adapted the Franklin 0335. The clearance here is critical. Double check the tolerances before we close her up.
That should do it. The water jackets are secure. All gauges in the green, sir. She's ready for the full throttle test.
Incredible, the Tucker is gonna fly.
Here we see the Tin Goose in its final stages of assembly, showcasing the revolutionary fastback design and the powerful rear-mounted engine.
We cannot compromise on the hydraulic design. It's revolutionary.
It's revolutionary, but it's not working. We adopt the cord transmission or we don't build the car.
Careful with the chassis. We can't afford any mistakes.
Keep the line moving. We've got orders to fill.
34 5/8 inches at the belt line apex.
Confirmed, 34 5/8.
Right.
The line holds true.
The perimeter frame provided structural integrity.
Yes, sir. We'll have her shining by quitting time.
The Tucker's distinctive aircraft-style doors extended right into the roofline.
In 1904, the Tucker's rear design, with its signature grills and 6 exhaust pipes.
We need to adjust the gap on the left side there, Joe.
Just a 1/4 inch, then tighten her down.
The installation of the Franklin 0335, mounted longitudinally, eliminated the driveshaft tunnel.
Here we see the revolutionary subframe being secured. Just 6 bolts held the entire drivetrain, allowing for a 30-minute engine swap.
The refurbished cord unit, an interim solution before the Y1 redesign, required precise alignment with the Franklin engine.
That's tight. The new gears should hold up fine.
The version 1 torsoelastic design looked promising, inspired by Miller.
In an ironic twist, the steering column being installed came directly from a donated 1941 Lincoln.
This recessed steering box placement was central to Tucker's safety philosophy, creating a protective chamber shielded by the front axle.
This is the Tucker's signature safety feature. The laminated shatterproof glass is designed to pop out in a collision.
We've relocated the glove box entirely to make way for this padded sanctuary. In a collision, the passenger simply dives in.
This signature Tucker color, Waltz Blue Metallic, code 200, was named after Vera Tucker's favorite dress and became synonymous.
Here we see the separate key being installed. Once turned, the anti-theft feature engages, locking the parking brakes.
Moving the tank here allows the Tucker-matic to sit properly in the rear. It's a major improvement for weight distribution. This is it, the first production Tucker, number 1001, complete with the innovative cord transmission.
Car 1003, the third production model, showing the new valance panel. The original cord transmission, plagued by weak gear teeth. This final installation in Car 1012 was a critical transition point for the company.
The Ypsilanti Y1, debuting in '48, featured stronger gears and new electro-vacuum controls.
As you can see, the version 2 suspension proved far too rigid, resulting in a notably uncomfortable ride.
The 1948 Tucker, Car 1026, was an engineering milestone.
Car #1038, completed October 25, 1948, in moss green code 300 paint.
Car 1042, the second and final vehicle with the Tucker-matic transmission, featuring the Warren Rice CVT.
And to think this glove box came from 1027. It really is the last one.
The response to the campaign has been phenomenal.
Absolutely unprecedented. We're thrilled to be a part of it.
In 1947, the Tucker Corporation used these stock certificates to raise $15 million before a single car was built. This catalog represents the heart of the controversy.
This is the Franklin 0335, the heart of the original Bell 47.
Easy now, watch the rails.
Stop the hoist. It's fouling the chassis. It just won't fit. There it is. 116 horsepower, right on spec. The torque looks good too, 212 at the wheels.
Congratulations on your new Tucker, sir.
It's a beauty. I've waited a long time for this day. The 1948 Indianapolis program logged 13,134 total miles.
The pop-out windshield worked exactly as designed, ejecting cleanly upon impact.
They logged 13,134 miles. The performance data is strong here.
Yes, but look at the identified issues.
All right, easy now. Bring her down slow.
Watch the manifold on the left, Ed.
Your Honor, it is impossible to present a defense when there has been no offense committed. The defense rests.
Starting the bidding at $50,000 for the chassis. Do I hear 60?
65.
65,000 once, 60,000 twice. Sold.
The repurposed Tucker plant proved ideal. Using the original tunnels, the factory continues production seamlessly into 2025.
Displayed here at the Smithsonian, the Tucker 48 remains a symbol of innovation against the odds.
As the centerpiece of the Swigert Antique Auto Museum, the Tin Goose stands as an automotive milestone.
Welcome to the largest collection of Tucker automobiles ever assembled, a testament to one man's enduring legacy.
This represents the culmination of my great-grandfather's dream.
We finally finished number 1050.
See this center light here, the Cyclops eye? As I turn the wheel, it actually tracks with the car. Absolutely brilliant design.
Warren Rice, the legendary engineer behind Dynaflow, achieved the impossible.
Ford wants those engines.
With my suspension design, we'll change racing forever.
This new hydraulic system simplifies the assembly considerably. Good.
We need 50 units by the end of the week for the summer.
Capable of speeds exceeding 115 miles per hour, the Tucker combat car was ultimately rejected by the Army as being too fast for the front lines.